This is a love reading for you, Libra, for March, and one card is falling out. So I'm going to do is a heart shape spread to see how's the guidance for the two of you and your love interest, and then let us see. So also this is a general reading. Everything will not resonate with all Libra, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, when the card falls out, first of all, I'm getting a guidance here is this relationship is going through a lot of turmoil, or you both are faced with some impossible, or a very you are both are faced with impossible or very difficult situation. So it's not looking very it's not looking easy. This relationship is looking like it's little bit painful and tough to carry on with. The two of you are struggling with each other. Just that's how I'm seeing the guidance. So let us see how's the guidance for the love reading. So who are you, Libra, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have with this partner about the future? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past you are coming from? What is the past your partner is coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, let us see. So, first of all, you both like your space, and you both don't like to be working with a lot of people. You see here the person is in a winning energy with lot of ambition and is a go-getter, and your partner is also somebody who likes to work alone and likes to achieve or do things by himself or herself. So the two of you like a lot of privacy. You both like a lot of space when you're working or you're doing your thing. Also, you both are quite different, because if you see, here is somebody who is a little bit your partner does not have much savings or money, Libra, while you are someone very ambitious, you're doing good, and your career brings you to lot of fame or lot of promise, but your partner is struggling with savings, investment. He or she may not have much money really. So that could be a point of contention for this relationship right now. What is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So, very correctly, your partner does not have money. He or she has lost one opportunity, money making opportunity. It's possible your partner started some business with their friends or with some people, and then it did not go through, and little somewhat of a money is lost, or some opportunity was not taken up. So, there is a definitely a money concern going on with your partner. About you, you're very solid, tough, not difficult, but you're a very solid and a tough person on the outside, and you are facing great difficulty on the inside. There is just so much turmoil going on inside you, Libra. You're this person who feels very cornered by such mean and wrong things people tell you, and emotionally you're feeling you are almost a hostage to the situation. Some of you may be wanting to leave this partner, Libra, and you're not able to, and you're not able to speak up or do much. So I'm seeing that emotion, while you are a great achiever, doing good work wise, or even in your business, but in emotionally and internally you're struggling. I'm not seeing you happy, and you have a lot to cry about for whatever reason. There's just something not going right here. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? So you see your partner as someone who's living a stalemate, or who's stuck in time and is not moving forward, and always stays alone or doesn't have any friends. You're not very happy with this partner, Libra. For whatever reason, you feel this partner is always saying no, doesn't go out much with you, and is always in a sulking energy for whatever reason. This is your impression about the partner, which is not so nice. And your partner sees you as a fighter cock who's always ready to pick a fight, or always ready to have an argument. So the two of you are truly, as this card suggested, you both are dealing with a very difficult situation and with impossible. You both are not able to continue with this union. You both have very poor impression about each other. Now, please remember that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Libra and partner. If you are happy with your partner, then this reading is not for you. It is a general reading. You should know this. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about this partner, and what is the hope or fear your partner has with you about the future? About the future, Libra, you do see that if your partner's parents agree, or if family and friends agree, there is a marriage which is possible. So you do see celebration at some time, that this whole union can work out if your partner will change a little bit or bring some change in them. Your partner sees this, is right now worried about money. He or she is thinking, for all the time spent, for all the work done, are they going to make enough money, or will your money be enough for the two of you? Your partner is very worried, and the reason is he or she has made some losses. Finance and money rides very high on them, and your partner is worried about the future with you, thinking about money. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Libra, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you've been raised with a lot of discipline, so it's quite possible you had very firm and strict parents who wanted you to be in a certain way. Some of you may have gone to private schools also, because I am seeing a lot of discipline in your upbringing, and a very very parent who was always there looking into your affairs and minding your business for you. So you are not someone who's used to being casual, making mistakes. Your partner is coming from a very tough phase. He or she almost survived a certain death in some way. Maybe they, your partner is coming out of something very long and sad. It could be a certain death in the family. Maybe it was a divorce. Maybe it was a breakup, or just something. Maybe it was an ailment. Because I'm seeing that your partner spent a lot of time seeking help and then didn't get it, and then somehow is trying to survive. So situation is not so great going on with your partner right now. He or she is struggling in their situation for some reason. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Okay, so first of all, one of you is very very attractive, and that is keeping the union together. So no matter what the fight is, you both have a lot of chemistry going on between the two of you, and one of you is very very good looking, and that keeps the relationship together. So despite the cards being the way they are, one of you is very very close to each other. You both are feeling a lot of intimacy, and you want to be with this person. One of you is very very good looking or has a great personality, and that is what is keeping the relationship together. And I'm seeing there are admirers to this person, whether it is you, Libra, or it is your partner, I don't know. But one of you has a lot of admirers, and is a great looker, and has a great personality also. So right now you want to be with this person, or you both want to be together, and one of you really wants to be with the other person. So this is how I'm seeing the guidance. For the time being, it's a rough ride, but you're not giving up. To me, it's looking like the partner, you are the one who's very good looking or has a great personality, because Libra wants to get married to you in the future. So he or she is very romantically attracted to you, or has a lot of romance in their head, or thinks about a lot of intimacy and love about you. So this is how the guidance is, Libra, for you and your partner.